you are all well. So students, most of you are looking for BBA program to pursue at your undergraduate level. As I understand clearly that BBA, Bachelor in Business Administration, this course acts as a gateway for entry towards your corporate journey. So in today's video, let me tell you about St. Xavier's College, Kolkata, which is autonomous college. It's 160 years old college. It is NAAC accredited A-grade college. It is an autonomous college as declared by UGC. It is also ranked 5th all over India in the college category by NIRF. So in today's video, I will talk about the BMS course. That means the BBA course offered by St. Xavier's College, Kolkata. We will look at its eligibility criteria, what are the specializations we are having at BBA program in St. Xavier's College, Kolkata, what is the admission procedure, what is the syllabus of the admission test for BBA at St. Xavier's College, Kolkata. All your queries will be answered in this video. So watch this video till the end. And regarding St. Xavier's College, Kolkata, if you have any queries, please feel free to connect with us on the phone number right now shown on the screen. You can write your query by WhatsApp in the same number. You can also post your query in the comment box. Apna College Net, in this YouTube channel, you are going to get genuine reviews about the top colleges and universities and also entrance examination update. So like and subscribe Apna College Net YouTube channel. Press the bell icon to receive updates once the new video is uploaded on this channel. Follow us on our Facebook page, Apna College, Instagram page, Apna College 1. Visit our website www.apnacollege.net where you can get the list of top colleges in Kolkata, in Delhi, in Bangalore and in India. So let's start today's video. St. Xavier's College, Kolkata was founded in 1860 by a Catholic minority religious body, the Society of Jesus. The St. Xavier's College, Kolkata was affiliated to the University of Calcutta in 1862. St. Xavier's College, Kolkata has been given autonomous status in 2006. In the same year, St. Xavier's College, Kolkata has been identified as a college with potential for excellence. In 2014, UGC identified St. Xavier's College, Kolkata as a college of excellence, and in 2015, St. Xavier's College got a special heritage status. NAAC, National Accreditation and Assessment Council, has graded St. Xavier's College as A++ college. And in NIRF ranking 2023, St. Xavier's College, Kolkata has been ranked number 5th all over India in college category. St. Xavier's College, Kolkata is located in Park Street area in Kolkata. Since its inception in 2002, St. Xavier's College Department of Management Studies is offering 4 years Bachelor in Management Studies, which is an honors course as per National Education Policy. However, there will be an optional exit option after completion of 3 years degree course. The BMS honors program is unique as offered by St. Xavier's College, where the students are given the core values in terms of intellectual depth, real-world business skills, leadership skills, and social responsibility. The specialization offered in BMS course are Business Management and Administration, Human Resource Management, Marketing, and Finance. The BMS class timings at St. Xavier's College are Monday to Friday from 4 p.m. in the evening till 8 p.m. Now let us look at the BMS admission criteria. A candidate completing 10+2 course from recognized board, including English and pure mathematics or business mathematics or statistics or applied mathematics combination, is eligible to apply for this BBA course at St. Xavier's College, Kolkata. However, 2 points are to be noted: that English should be the compulsory subject at 10+2 level, and the candidate must have pure mathematics or business mathematics or statistics or applied mathematics subject in 10+2 level. The candidate after application must appear in St. Xavier's College, Kolkata BBA entrance test. Now the selection weightage percentage in the qualifying examination marks, there will be 50% weightage, and the entrance examination will be given 50% weightage. Now let us look into St. Xavier's College, Kolkata BBA entrance examination pattern. The exam duration will be of 1 hour, and the questions are all of MCQ, multiple choice question type, and the total number of marks allotted for the examination is 50. Now let us look into the test syllabus. The section 1 of St. Xavier's College BBA entrance test will be from English and general knowledge, and the total marks allotted in this section is 10 marks. In the section 2 mathematics section, the total marks allotted will be 20 marks. In the section 3, there will be questions from reasoning and the total marks allotted in this section is 10 marks. And in section 4, data analysis and interpretation, the total marks allotted is 10 marks. Now the marking scheme for this entrance test is plus 1 mark for each correct answer. The mode of examination is completely offline and the examination venue is the college campus of St. Xavier's College, Kolkata. The BMS application will be completely online and it will start immediately after publication of 10+2 results. The placement cell of St. Xavier's College, Kolkata arranges the campusing for the BBA students. For the current year, the prominent recruiters are Nestle, Deloitte, Hitachi, Wells Fargo's, TCS, Taj, Novartis, ITC and many other MNCs. The placement salary range is from 3.5 lakh per annum to 24 lakhs per annum. St. Xavier's College, Kolkata has got superb infrastructure which helps in delivering academic excellence for BMS students. All the classrooms are ICT enabled and there is auditorium, wellness center, cyber room, finance lab, alumni association, placement cell, counseling cell and canteen facility. And at St. Xavier's College, Kolkata, for BBA students there are separate boys hostel facility and girls hostel facility. You have got to know the details of the BMS program of St. Xavier's College, Kolkata. Regarding St. Xavier's College, Kolkata, if you have any queries, please feel free to connect with us on the phone number right now shown on the screen. You can write your query by WhatsApp in the same number. You can also post your query in the comment box. Apna College Net, in this YouTube channel, you are going to get genuine reviews about the top colleges and universities and also entrance examination update. So like and subscribe Apna College Net YouTube channel. Press the bell icon to receive updates once the new video is uploaded on this channel. Follow us on our Facebook page, Apna College, Instagram page, Apna College 1. Visit our website www.apnacollege.net where you can get the list of top colleges in Kolkata, in Delhi, in Bangalore and in India.